Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing good. In this video, I want to teach you how to use the Elementor Pro templates. Now, Elementor Pro comes with quite a number of templates which can help you to build pages and posts without building anything from scratch, just by importing. Let me go to all pages on my website. I want to add a new page and I want it to be home, and then I will publish, and then I can edit with Elementor. It's loading. Now you see right off the bat Elementor tells me to unlock AI. I'll say continue. But I want to open this website again on another tab. There is something I want us to do. I want us to get the latest layout, UI layout, where you see all of these elements will be on top of here. So I'll go ahead and do this. I'll come to Elementor, come to settings, and come to features, activate all. And then I'll save changes. So if I come now here and reload this page, you will see that this bar that was down here is now up on top of here. One other thing I want to do is go to settings. I want to hide title, toggle that on, and I want this to be Elementor full width. It's going to reload the page. And I'm going to save. So when you have Elementor Pro installed, you have access to the template library. You can click on add template and it's going to load you some template blocks which you can use right off the bat. And mind you, you can also use AI to generate templates. That's the new Elementor AI functionality. So we can go piece by piece, or we can simply come to your back end and go to where you see templates, come to kit library. And it's going to show you quite a number of kits, of Elementor kits. You can use them from here. Now let's take a look at this. Let me click on this. So when they talk of a kit, it is an entire website that you just be installing, you just be importing. So this is one kit. There are others. If you look at these, let me look at these Faroe Islands, and you see this is quite a beautiful website. A lot of thought put into it and a lot of animations. If I wanted to just import this kit, now you can look at this. You can see it on mobile. It's very mobile responsive. You can also look at it on tablet. It's very responsive. If I wanted to import this kit, I'll say apply kit. And it's going to ask me to connect to template library, and I'm going to connect from there. You see my account and GoPro and things like that, and then I'll just go into my account. Now I don't want to use it from here. What I want to do is that I want to import templates piece by piece so that you see how each of them works. I'm not going to come now, just so you know. This here is the Elementor AI builder. If I click here, I can connect to my account and then I can give AI prompts, but I don't want to do that. I want the title of this video, the subject is to use AI kit. So is to use template libraries rather. The template library has a lot of categories. If I want to look for an about us section, I can filter by that. All of these are about us templates. If I want to look for archive, maybe for products or for post, I can apply any of these. If I want to look for benefits, any of these. Now I will start with hero section, hero. So let me click on this. So you see these are hero sections. Let me insert. I'm going to connect my account. It's connecting and it's going to redirect me. So I've connected my account and it's loading. Now you can see that hero section has been updated. I can change the picture. Let me just come to pexels.com and I look for a picture here and see gym. Yes, this is a good one. I can use these two people here and I'll just download that picture. Now when I come back to my template, I'll come to style and I can change the picture of this lady here. It's uploading. So there it is. I've changed the picture. I can make this to be smaller in size. I can make that to be smaller and I can reduce the line height. So that is that. So we can also go ahead. I can look for benefits. Maybe it's a gym and I want to give the benefits of working with our gym. So I'll filter by benefits. I can import this. I can insert this. It takes some time to insert, so it's not, you see, it already comes with all the animations and all that. We can publish this and let's preview this on the front end. You see, this is what it gives us, which is quite good. And I also want to look for another section. Let's see, I want to look for data. Yes, you see, it gives me this, and most of them are well built, skillfully crafted template. So you see, it gives me this counter when it's not looking really good. It did not upload as it is. Let me publish and then reload the page. Hopefully it should adjust. And this is the problem with some of these templates. You see something else, but when it's time to import it, it doesn't import as it shows. Now, what I can do is that I can make this is with 45%, and this is also with 45%. I can adjust this by inserting a container inside here. Let me insert this container. A container may not really go, but you can go ahead and work on this to make them align. Because it's not looking as it should. Let me go ahead and import another one. I'll go back to what was I looking for? Data. Now let me just use this simple one. I'll insert this. Okay, this one imported properly. Now I can add something like, now you see, and one advantage is that when you are importing these templates, you don't even need to know how to use containers. I'm going to go to and look now for benefits. Okay, we already did benefits. I'll look for features. There is none. And then I can look for, let's say, portfolio. There is also none. Let me see. I'll look for quote. Yes, I can insert this. So that is a quote. I can also go ahead and add something like, let's see, our team members. Maybe these are our team members. I'll insert. So it's loading because it's a heavy template. It's taking quite some time. While it loads, let me create another page and show you something. I'll go back here. Let me create page, all pages, and I'll create another one and see. Let's just see home 2. I'll publish this, publish, edit with Elementor. So this one has brought in those the template which we wanted to bring in. If you can add as many things as you desire. Now let me show you something. We'll go ahead and publish this, and then let's save as template. Now, in case we want to use this template on another website, or maybe on another page in this website, we have already done our edits. Let's say we've edited this and put in our own text, edited this, added our own pictures. We don't want to go through the stress of doing that the second time. So we want to save this as a template so that we can reuse it. So I'll go to save as template and I'll say, let's just say my own. And then I'm going to save. It's going to save. Now, I can export this to my computer. I've exported this to my computer. If I come to my file manager, you see here it is. Now, let me go to this new page I just created. Of course, I'll hide title. Now, what I want to do is that if I want to add that same template, I'll click on add, here. And then I will go to my templates. This is the template I exported, I created, and then I'll just click on insert. And it is inserting. It will take some time. You see, we have the same thing here on home too. Now, if this were I opened another website, let's say I created another website and I wanted to use this same layout. I wanted my home page on that website to have this same layout. What I will do is that I'll come to, this is taking some time. What I would have done is I'll come to click here, and then I'm going to click on this, rather, not this, and then it's going to tell me this button here to upload my template. And then I'll come here, click on this, and then it's going to say, I'll just select all of them, accept all the terms, and then it's going to import that template. It's importing. So we see here, this is what we imported on home 2. So that is that. In case we wanted to create a header from a template, I'll just say leave. I don't want all of that. So you see, it has imported the template the second time. I can just click and insert. Let's say we wanted to create a header. Come to templates, come to theme builder. Then what we want to create is a header. It's loading, so it already gives us some header templates right off the bat. Let me use this one. I'll import it and apply. It's importing. Now you can see it already imports and it's giving us the opportunity to add a header, header menu. But since we don't have a header menu, let us go ahead and create one. Let me come to appearance, menus, and then I want to create a menu. Let me see primary menu, and then I'll just add these pages. Let me just click on view all. I'll add these pages to the menu. So I will say save menu. Now when I come here, let me publish this first, or rather, let me reload this. Reload, and then I'll take everything from scratch. Now, let me go back and add this header menu, insert this header menu, apply. You see, right off the bat, it has picked up our menu. You can go ahead and make the changes here. Maybe you want this to be white, or you want it to be black. You can do that. You can add your logo here if you have one. And then when it comes to publish, you are going to be asked for conditions. what conditions should this be displayed? I will say entire website. Secondly, I will say on all archives, and then I will say on all singular. Normally this should do, but sometimes there are bugs. You choose only entire website and it doesn't show everywhere. I'll click on save and publish. So if I should open any of these pages which we created on the front end, you will see that the header now shows there. Let me open home. I'll go to view. You see the header now shows here, but there is no footer. There is no footer. We can also add that. Let me come to still on templates and click on theme builder. And then now I want to choose footer. And then I can click on add new. Click on add new. I can choose any of these footer templates. Let me insert this one. Let me choose this one. I'll insert that one. It's inserting. So you now see the way it is. I can change the text here into anything I want. And then when I click on publish, it's going to ask me for conditions. I'll choose entire website. I'll choose archives. I'm also going to choose singular, save, and close. Now, if I look at this website here, previously had no footer, but now we see that footer. You can change it to whatever. You can add your own elements. You can delete this. But let's say I want to delete this. And I want to add a nav menu there, a navigation menu. That is this WordPress menu. I will drop it there. You see that's the menu. I can make it to be vertical. I can make it to be centered. That's align center. And then I can also change the color of the menu items to white. So that is that. You can feel free to use this as much as you want. If I publish that and I go to the front end, here is what it shows me. So you can have a full-fledged website without creating containers or anything of that sort. It all depends on you and what you are willing to achieve. And I'll tell you this, the Elementor templates, they are really, really good. The only issue is that you risk having a generic website because every other person who is using this template, their website is going to be like yours. It's just like just buying a theme online and then just using it, without tweaking the design. So if you found any value in this video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I put out videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And also, please post a comment for whatever video idea you desire. One of my subscribers posted an idea and I'm going to be doing a video to that anytime soon. God bless you. Peace.